Touring motorcycles are built for long distances. Big engines, comfortable seats, wind protection, and enough power to spend hours on the highway. But you don't necessarily need a traditional motorcycle to get all of that. Some maxi scooters offer serious touring performance while adding automatic convenience, built-in storage, and everyday practicality. Here are 10 scooters that can replace a touring motorcycle. Starting at number 10 is the Suzuki Burgman 400. It may be smaller than the heavyweight machines coming later, but the Burgman 400 has everything needed for real-world touring. You get a comfortable riding position, generous storage, excellent wind protection, and enough performance for highway travel. It's also lighter and easier to manage than the huge touring scooters. For solo riders who don't need enormous horsepower, the Burgman 400 can handle commuting during the week and long-distance trips on the weekend surprisingly well. At number 9 is the SYM Maxim TL 508. This is a much sportier interpretation of the touring scooter. Its twin-cylinder engine provides strong highway performance, while the chassis feels stable and confidence-inspiring when speeds increase. The riding position remains comfortable enough for longer journeys, and there's useful everyday practicality built into the package. It may not have the luxury of the biggest GT scooters, but the Maxim TL proves you can combine touring capability with genuinely entertaining handling. Coming in at number 8 is the Kymco AK 550 Premium. The AK 550 offers the kind of performance that makes stepping down from a motorcycle much easier. Its twin-cylinder engine provides strong acceleration and plenty of passing power, while the substantial chassis remains composed on fast highways. You also get good wind protection, comfortable ergonomics, storage, and premium touring features. It's sporty when you want it to be, but comfortable enough to cover serious distances when the road opens up. Taking the 7th spot is the Yamaha TMAX 560. The TMAX is famous for its handling, but it's also an excellent long-distance machine. Its smooth twin-cylinder engine, sophisticated chassis, strong brakes, and excellent high-speed stability make highway riding incredibly confidence-inspiring. The comfortable riding position, useful wind protection, and everyday practicality also make longer journeys surprisingly easy. It's not a traditional luxury tourer. Instead, it feels more like a sport touring motorcycle with scooter practicality. Everything else in the ranking can remain unchanged. At number 6 is the Kymco CV3550. Yes, it has 3 wheels, but it's still built around the maxi scooter concept. And for touring, that unusual layout brings some genuine advantages. Its twin-cylinder engine provides strong performance, while the 2-wheel front end gives the CV impressive stability and confidence on imperfect roads. There's good wind protection, a comfortable upright riding position, and enough power for sustained highway travel. It's unconventional, but for riders prioritizing stability and long-distance comfort, the CV3 makes a surprisingly convincing touring machine. Coming in at number 5 is the Honda XADV 750. This is the choice for riders whose touring doesn't always end when the pavement does. Its 745 cubic centimeter parallel twin delivers strong torque, while Honda's 6-speed DCT provides direct acceleration without requiring manual clutch operation. The upright ergonomics and capable suspension make long rides comfortable even when road conditions deteriorate. It's part scooter, part adventure machine, and part long-distance tourer. If your trips include highways, mountain roads, and occasional rough surfaces, the XADV can replace more than just one motorcycle. At number 4 is the BMW C650 GT. BMW essentially took the luxury touring formula and applied it to a maxi scooter. Its 647 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine provides strong highway performance, while the large bodywork and windscreen offer excellent protection at speed. The seat is spacious, passenger accommodations are excellent, and there's plenty of useful storage. It may be discontinued today, but as a long-distance machine, the C650 GT remains one of the most convincing touring scooters ever produced. Taking the third spot is the Honda Forza 750. This is arguably one of the best modern road-focused touring scooters. Its 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin delivers strong torque and excellent fuel efficiency, while the 6-speed DCT gives you direct acceleration without constantly operating a clutch. It's stable at highway speeds, comfortable over long distances, and practical enough for everyday commuting. The Forza can handle your weekday commute and then cover hundreds of highway miles on the weekend. For many riders, that's exactly what they wanted a touring motorcycle for in the first place. Coming in at number 2 is the legendary Honda Silverwing 600. The Silverwing may be older, but long-distance comfort was one of its greatest strengths. Its smooth 582 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine provides relaxed highway performance, while the large seat, substantial wind protection, and comfortable ergonomics make hours in the saddle surprisingly easy. It's also excellent with a passenger and has useful storage for longer trips. Newer scooters may offer more technology and sharper performance. But when it comes to simply covering huge distances comfortably and reliably, the Silverwing remains difficult to beat. And taking the number 1 spot is the Suzuki Burgman 650 Executive. Few scooters have ever come closer to replacing a full-size touring motorcycle. Its smooth 638 cubic centimeter twin-cylinder engine provides effortless highway performance, while Suzuki's electronically controlled transmission offers more flexibility than a traditional scooter CVT. Then there's the huge seat, excellent wind protection, generous storage, passenger comfort, and luxury equipment. Yes, it's big and heavy, but on a long highway journey, those qualities help make the Burgman incredibly stable and relaxed. It can commute, carry luggage, take a passenger, and cover serious distances without asking the rider to shift gears. The Burgman 650 Executive isn't just a touring-capable scooter. For many riders, it is the touring bike. Touring isn't about having the biggest engine or the most expensive motorcycle. It's about being comfortable, confident, and capable enough to keep riding when the miles start adding up. And these scooters prove that automatic convenience and real long-distance capability can absolutely exist together. Would you replace a touring motorcycle with one of these scooters? Let us know which one in the comments.